Hi everyone, it's Kathy and I'm here with another reveal video. Today I'll be sharing the super cute Dragon Christmas Wishes stamp set. The stamp set is a 4x6 clear set. It includes 3 main dragon images, 7 sentiments, and the sentiments are buildable. The largest dragon with the sled measures 3 1/4 by 2. The little guy with the antlers measures 2 3/4 by 2 1/2. And the little guy sitting just wearing a Santa hat measures 2 3/4 by 2 1/4 inches. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. For this first one, my background paper is from the new Tartan paper pack, which is filled with super yummy plaid papers. I also pulled in one of the tags from the Bookmark Tag Die Set that was recently released. And for my second sample, again, I used more of that yummy plaid paper from the Tartan paper pack. And I decided that that little guy needed to have a shiny nose, so I added a red jewel right on top of that. For more information regarding these products, they'll be linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you join us over on Instagram and in our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.